Hi guys, this is Cyrus at GradeLink, and today I want to go over some quick tips on getting started with EnrollMe. The first thing you'll want to do is in the Financial tab. Go to Admin, and then Sessions, and make sure that the current year is listed here. Even if your school doesn't use our Financial section, this step is necessary because it lets EnrollMe know where to put your new and re-enrolling students. If you're not seeing the current year, go ahead and click the Add button to get that set up. Back down to EnrollMe, let's click on a student. Under Online Forms, you can see all of the forms that the student filled out, as well as all of the information in each of those forms. This includes parent information, contacts, and even medical information. If you spot any errors in your forms or you'd like an addition to some of your forms, send an email to service@gradelink.com. Right now, none of these students are able to see any of their applications. So, down in the Settings tab, there's an option for that. Hide Re-enroll tab on Parent Interface should remain checked for most of the year. Once you want students to be able to re-enroll, uncheck that box and click Save Changes. Now your re-enrollments are ready to get started. For new enrollments, click on the Marketing tab. This link here will take your new enrollments to their new enrollment application. You can post it in an email or anywhere on your website as long as it's visible to new families. Let's see what that looks like by testing the EnrollMe link. In this link, a parent will be prompted to create an account. They'll be asked for their email address and their password, and an email will be sent out to them that they need to confirm. Once confirmed, they'll be able to complete their enrollment by logging in. As you can see, this enrollment application looks very similar to the other one, except they have the option to add the students, and there's no sidebar that is associated with GradeLink because this is not a GradeLink login yet. Let's head back to the EnrollMe tab to see what else we can do from there. You can see that Bobby Hope has a status of submitted. This form status means that his application is finished and he can no longer make any changes to it. From here, it's the job of an administrator to import his data so that it's updated in the Students tab. Let's go over how to do that. First, change the form status from submitted to approved. Next, go to the Import tab. Here you can see all the information on the left, which is exactly how it was input, and on the right, which is how it will be put into the Students tab. Sometimes these won't match, so it's important as an administrator to go through these. Once you've ensured that the information is populating the way that you want it to, click Create Import, and then click Run Import. It'll show you the last date and time that the import was sent, and this means that the student's information has been updated into the Students tab, shown here. The same process is applicable for new enrollments with one key difference. Let's take a look at Paul Smith. Over in the Students tab, let's look for Paul. The only Paul we get is Paul Bunyan. The reason for this is that new enrollments don't currently attend your school. Under All Inactive, and specifically under New Enrollments, is where you'll find new enrollments that you've approved and imported. They're not able to be assigned to any classes just yet because they are inactive students, but once you promote your students from one grade to the next, these students will go from new enrollment to active students. Thanks for watching, and welcome to EnrollMe.